Let her. Well, give it to her. Come, Shine. I want her to try it. Come on. Give her that microphone.
Yes, I'll use the microphone.
Well, don't hold it. She's letting you yell. Now get her to do it. Now get her to do it.
You got me like this.
No, Shine. I want her.
She dropped it.
Give it back to her. Get her to yell on it.
Are you hungry? Are you hungry?
Yeah. I'm going to have some.
She wants you to.
Grandpa.